Today I'm showing you how I make my cold porcelain frosting. Here I have some cold porcelain that has some white acrylic. I did this batch a few days ago, so I'm going to add a little bit, or as you can see, some white glue, like this amount. You can control the amount you need depending if you want your frosting more thick or a bit looser, but this is what I do, and unfortunately I do it with my hands because I want to make sure there is no lumps or anything when I'm going to use a piping bag to frost my cupcakes or anything, so it is a sticky mess. I recommend you to use some Vaseline on your hands to help yourself to clean afterwards. And I just start to mix everything using a spatula to help clean my surface. But yes, it is a sticky mess. You can use some gloves, however I have done that and they get sticky and it's a little bit worse. Here I'm taking some of the lumps that I discovered, and when you finish that, I add some water while I clean myself, and that prevents the frosting to get dry. And quickly I'm going to put all this on a piping bag. You can find those on bakery stuff or grocery stuffs, I guess. And yes, I'm going to put all that in there, and after that I use one of these things that I don't know the name, and to prevent some air to coming in, and yes, that keeps your frosting ready to use whenever you want. I'm using the double piping bag, so in one I have the piping tip with the bag, and then I put the other inside to start decorating my miniatures, and this way I can remove it and avoid leaving the whole bag drying out. I hope you can understand. So I do that and it's ready to use, and when finished I remove it and close the tip as well, just like the back part. And yes, this is how I use the frosting for all my cupcakes and miniatures. You can put acrylic of any color you want, if you want chocolate, strawberry, or anything. And yes, this is pretty much it. I hope you try it, and hopefully it's not so messy for you. Here I have a little miniature that I'm going to decorate. I'm not great with my piping skills, but you can practice and try as many times to make a perfect swirl or anything. So yep, this is my tutorial, and I hope you try it and let me know how it goes. See you. Bye bye.